Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Mailchimp application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mailchimp application on your device. You will be taken into your home page. Now, from your home page, if you wish to change your password, then you will first need to log out. Tap on your account icon at the top right corner and then tap on Log Out from the settings page. Once you tap on Logout, tap on OK to confirm your logout. And now you will be taken back into the login page. Now just tap on Can't Log In and you will find the Forgot Password option. Go ahead and tap on this and you will be asked to enter your username. Type in the username that you set up while creating your account and then tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. You will now be told to check your inbox to see the instructions to reset your password. So check your inbox and you will find an email from Mailchimp which has a link that says reset your password. Tap on this link and now you will be allowed to enter your new password. Type in your desired new password within the new password section and then enter your new password once again for confirmation. You can then tap on the reset password button and your password will be changed right away. You can then return to the login page and use your newly set password along with your original email address to log back into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Mailchimp. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.